all messed up, I'm so out of line. Yeah, stilettos and broken bottles, I'm spinning around in circles, and I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. And I'm right over here, why can't you see me? And I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you take it home. Ooh, and I keep dancing on my own. And oh no, so far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing here. I just came to say goodbye. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh, and I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you taking home. Ooh, and I keep dancing on my own. And oh no, said I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh no, and I'm right over here, why can't you see me? Oh no, and I'm giving it my all, but I'm not the guy you taking home. Ooh, and I keep dancing on my own. So far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing here.
Alright, thank you so much for that
Alright.
wonderful performance.
Baka kasi magkamali yung ano ko. Kaya dana.
Mr. CJ Balintong. Tama ba pagka-pronounce namin sa
CJ.
name? CJ, okay.
Pinagpapawisan tayo. Are you okay? Relax. Oh.
Dito lang
Oh,
ako
delikado dito tayo.
siya.
Kasi mukhang bibigay yata yung isa dyan. Kumusta naman?
Okay naman.
Okay na kasi pawis na
Pawis na
pawis
pawis
siya.
siya.
Oh.
He gave his all nga.
Amo na talaga kini.
Favorite song mo ba yun?
Yeah. Pati yung nag-cover ng song.
Makapi nga song. Ano daw? Makapi?
Kalong?
Callum Scott, yeah.
Okay, Kalong.
Cover
Makapi
ng
nga song.
song. Yes.
Okay,
Sino bang
who's
kasama mo,
with you?
CJ? Yes.
My friends.
Your friends, say hi to them.
Hi.
Hello sa inyo, shout out. What
Thank
about
you
your parents?
For your presence.
Where are they?
What I din happy
Shout out na lang sa K-Bags page natin.
shout out Tak Mama
Live tayo?
Dubai. Hi Ma.
Dubai!
And to my parents, we have Tak Father, Habalay,
Shukran.
Tak Family.
Maybe
Hello
he's
sa inyo
watching
dyan.
right now.
Yes.
They're
Alright.
supporting all the way from Dubai. Okay. Oh, parang gusto ko pumunta ng Dubai ulit.
Oo, galing ka. Last year lang, di ba?
Tagal na.
Tagal na ba? Ako
Sige.
pala yun yung
Ikaw yun.
recent lang. Alright? We're going to hear from Dr. Leoncio Olobia. CJ, ready ka na?
Yes po.
Hello, CJ. How are you?
Good. Okay naman.
Okay. You had a very convincing performance, no? There was a lot of conviction. Bagayin, there was a great deal of emotional connection as well, no? Very vivid and emotions din ang song all throughout the song. In the general sense, no, when you are singing this kind of song, no, you need to journey your emotion to different levels because the song has bagayahin bagan pabalik-balik, no, pabalik-balik iya. How do you go from verse 1 to verse 2, no? so that there will be more interpretation, there will be more thickness in the manner of singing, no? So that the storytelling is rather moving, no? You tell the story with conviction, but remember, you are singing. You're not telling a story like me right now, nagayakan lako. So be careful lang with your pitch, no? There are some areas that need to be fashioned out, no, in terms of the pitch intonation. My advice would be to make sure, no, in the future that you vocalize the lowest notes, the highest notes, sing the highest notes in the song, and the lowest notes, and somewhere in between. You have to make sure that there is consistency, no, in delivering the correct pitch, kasi that's 50%, no, of the overall grading here, no. However, yun na nga, the good qualities here, the dramatic singing is a way for me to put you into a high pedestal also. Yun lang. This is a vocal competition.
Thank you.
And good luck. No, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir
Dr.
Olobia.
Yon Olobia.
At
Yes.
try natin pakinggan yung mga ibang
Lahat na
judges.
sila mag-speak
lahat na
for every
mag-comment.
contender.
Kung anong
If that's
insights nila.
fine with you.
Alright, sige. Try natin.
Okay. So, si ano ba po? CJ? Tama?
Yes.
CJ.
Ayan. Ilang taon ka na nga ulit?
21 na po.
21, no?
21.
Akala ko 12 years old pala. Batang-bata talaga.
Batang-bata.
Pero ako, yung pinaka na-impress ako, yung facial expression, na-feel ko talaga yung, alam mo yun, pain. Kasi painful yung song na yan eh. Callum Scott, di ba, yung
Yes.
singer? So, na-impress ako doon for a 21-year-old like you were able to convey the right emotions of the song. So, that's impressive, no?
Wow.
Thank you.
Oo. And with the talaga stage presence, 'di ba? Hindi ka lang nakatayo diyan. So, very important 'yan kasi kung nakatayo ka lang, parang stagnant ka lang 'di ba diyan. So, kumbaga, ang purpose ng stage gagamitin mo talaga siya. Okay, kumbaga, inaalayin mo ng kanta hindi lang dito sa front but the whole area. Okay? So, 'yun. Pero sabi pa nga ni Sir Leoncio, 'yun yung mga kung technicalities lang naman, no. If I'm going to be honest, talagang kailangan, kumbaga yung listening skills mo, kailangan mahasa mo siya na hindi ibig sabihin nagpe-perform ka, kailangan naririnig mo rin yung sarili mo. Okay? So, while you are performing, while you are singing, kailangan very precise yung notes, di ba? So, and also parang nakita ko kasi na you're trying to express a certain emotion siguro sa mga parts ng song na parang nag-growl ka na. Okay? Nag-growl ka na doon. So, yung growl kasi parang may binabagayan siya sa kanta. So, I don't think bagay siya doon sa kantang yon. Siguro ang gusto mong iparating na expression is talagang very painful. And I appreciate that naman. Pero, practice ka pa ng mga different vocal textures para mas pleasing sa ears yung ipaparating mong note. Okay? So, yun lang naman.
Thank you so much.
It was a
Thank you.
beautiful performance.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anjay. Yes, Sir Clark. What can you say about the performance of
Hi, CJ.
Mr. CJ?
Hello, CJ. Why did you choose this song?
Ayun.
Actually, I choose this song because aside from the fact na
Favorite niya.
favorite song, also the lyrics itself, like it is talking like being heartbroken, something like that. So parang I personally, bagat wala pa maka-experience ito, but there's something hasong. I like that. Like I like singing songs na very deep yung meaning.
Okay. That's nice. Ano ko lang, comment is accuracy din. Notes. Accuracy ng notes. Yung intonation, so dapat precise, sabi pa nga ni Sir Anjay, or accurate. Yung melody, basta yung intonation, importante yun. Then, I think, pwede, kung kaya mo pa you can choose another choice of piece, yung something mas challenging pa. Anyway, mahirap din kantahin yun dahil dapat expressive, tapos ballad din kasi na flowing, no rhythm. So, dapat ang pag-connect ng notes from note to other notes. Then, ang breathing, importante ha, kasi flowing, hindi staccato na mga kanta, hindi jazz. So, be careful lang, ha? Mag-vocalize before you, kahit nasa sasakyan ka lang, mag-start ka nag-vocalize sa bahay bago ka sumabak sa okay?
Yes,
Para kondisyon ang boses. Okay?
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright, Sir
Ano
Chloe.
masasabi mo, CJ, sa mga comments ng mga judges natin?
I'm really honored to be here and to be part of this competition. And I would like to thank the panel of judges and to all the staff and mga nag-establish ni nga competition. Thank you.
That's
Thank
it?
you.
Alright,
The
that was
pleasure is
CJ.
ours, CJ. Thank you so much.
Alright, CJ Ballington, all the way from Nula-Tula, Tacloban City. Ay talaga napaka